Hey guys, welcome back to English2Flow. I'm Emma.
And I'm James. Hello, everyone.
James, today's topic feels scary.
Very scary.
Today we are talking about one full day without a phone.
Impossible challenge.
Exactly.
Emma, honestly, can people live without phones now?
Good question.
I think phones became part of our body.
True.
Sometimes I search for my phone while holding my phone.
Same here. Guys, today we will imagine one day without a phone.
No Instagram,
No YouTube,
no scrolling.
no notifications.
Peaceful, but painful.
James, what is the first thing you do after waking up?
Check my phone.
Same.
I open my eyes and immediately check notifications.
Dangerous habit.
Very dangerous.
Imagine this situation.
Okay.
You wake up in the morning,
Hmm?
but your phone is gone.
My heart will stop.
Relax.
First, I will check my bed,
Then,
pillow,
then,
blanket.
then.
I will panic.
Guys, many people feel uncomfortable without phones.
Because we are addicted.
Sad but true.
Emma, what would you do first without a phone?
Maybe I would sit quietly.
Quietly.
Yes.
No scrolling?
No.
Impossible.
Then maybe I would open the window.
Nice.
Feel fresh air.
Peaceful morning.
Listen to birds.
Nature sounds better than notifications.
James, what happens when people use phones too much?
Mind becomes tired.
True.
Eyes become tired too.
And sleep becomes bad.
Yes,
Sometimes we use phones for no reason.
exactly.
We unlock phone.
Then forget why we unlocked it.
Very real problem.
Guys, phones are useful,
Very useful.
but too much phone use is unhealthy.
Balance is important.
Emma, imagine you go outside without phone. No music,
Okay,
no social media,
fine.
no Google Maps.
Now I'm scared. Honestly, phones made life easier.
Very true.
But sometimes they also steal our time.
Big truth.
Imagine sitting with friends,
Okay.
but everyone is looking at phones.
Modern friendship.
Nobody talks properly.
Everyone scrolls silently.
One day without a phone can teach many things.
Like what?
Enjoy silence, focus, live slowly, notice real life.
Deep lesson.
James, what would you do in free time without a phone?
Maybe read a book?
Nice.
Or go for a walk?
Healthy.
Or sleep peacefully?
Best activity.
Guys, do you know something funny?
What?
Before smartphones, people survived normally.
True.
They talked more,
Played outside more,
spent time with family more.
and life felt slower.
Today, everything feels fast.
Very fast.
Fast videos,
Fast scrolling.
fast entertainment.
But peaceful mind is becoming rare.
Emma, correction.
What?
I'm Emma.
Oh, yes, sorry.
Your brain also needs phone detox.
Definitely. James, imagine nighttime without a phone.
Peaceful.
No blue light,
No useless scrolling.
no random videos at 2 a.m.
Personal attack.
Many people say, I only use my phone for 5 minutes.
Then suddenly, 3 hours disappear.
Magic trick.
Dangerous magic trick.
Guys, maybe try this challenge.
Small challenge.
Spend 1 hour without phone daily.
Just 1 hour.
Talk with family.
Sit quietly.
Go outside.
Read something.
Relax your brain.
What is the hardest part about leaving phone?
Boredom.
True.
People are afraid of boredom now.
Because silence feels strange.
Exactly. But boredom is not always bad.
Yes.
Sometimes creativity starts in silence.
Deep thought starts too.
Final message, guys.
Listen carefully.
Use your phone wisely.
Don't waste your whole day scrolling.
Real life is outside the screen, too.
Balance is important.
Your phone should help your life.
Not control your life.
Homework time.
Yes.
Comment below, how many hours do you use your phone daily?
Example, I use my phone for 5 hours daily.
Keep practicing English daily.
Keep improving slowly.
Keep learning with English2Flow.
And maybe keep your phone away sometimes.
Bye!
Bye, guys.